Laundry rooms have come a long way. As a designer, I'm spending more and more time designing laundry room spaces for my clients, making them more efficient and much more enjoyable to spend time in. In fact, outside of kitchens and bathrooms, the next biggest focus in my practice is the laundry room. No longer is it relegated to a corner in the basement. Laundry rooms are a thing. So here are my top 5 best tips for laundry room luxe. Laundry rooms tend to be all about storage. Outside the washer and dryer, of course. They're becoming so much more than laundry. They're more like utility rooms, so it's really important to take stock of what you want to store. So, cabinet accessories are key. Here we see a pull-out for hanging clothing that needs to air dry. I love having an ironing board that tucks away nicely. How about tall storage for brooms, mops, and vacuums? And of course, you'll need storage for detergents and household items like extra paper towels and the like. The next important aspect for laundry room luxe is a sink. I love a great big deep laundry sink. Make sure you give yourself the largest sink possible for the space you have. I'm loving this farmhouse apron front sink. It's so practical and looks great too. And speaking of looking great, this beautiful concrete sink is what my laundry room dreams are made of. If you have to save on space, make it the deepest sink possible. It's a luxury you'll thank yourself for. Your surfaces in the laundry room need to be durable, and there's nothing more durable and luxe than stainless steel countertops. Many of my clients want some kind of entertainment in their laundry room, like wiring it up to a sound system or including space for Bluetooth speakers. For additional luxe, dedicate some wall space for a flat screen TV like this. Okay, are you ready for the most luxe item on this list? How about 2 washers and 2 dryers? Obviously, you need more space for this sort of thing, but having double sets of washers and dryers means no longer waiting for one load to be finished. It's great if you have a large family, and new parents would all agree double machines make a lot of sense. And finally, the best tip of all, it's all about design. Make it an inviting space by paying attention to all the finishes in your laundry room. Maybe paint your cabinets a color. Choose a dynamic floor tile. Don't forget your walls, it's a great opportunity for wallpaper. Make your laundry room a space you want to spend some time in. So here's your takeaway. Laundry room dreams are made of this. From storage to a large sink to stainless steel counters, practicality is key. Build in entertainment and maybe even an extra washer and dryer. Wrap it all up with style and design, and you'll look forward to laundry day 2. Thanks for watching this little design tip. I'll have lots more design tips just like this one coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe. We've got new videos every week. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. See you soon.